Hi, Johnny Zamrzla. It's Western Pacific Roofing Corp. Started in 1949 by an uncle, and during school years, I went back and forth until 1962 when I took it over and incorporated from a small business, and we've grown quite a bit since then. Today, the biggest challenge is getting good personnel and getting trained personnel or training them. I think that's going to be probably the biggest problem we'll be facing for the next few years is finding good people that want to come in and learn and make a livelihood in the roofing and sheet metal business. Today we have 4 locations. This is our corporate headquarters. Each facility has its own office staff, sales crew, and production crew, but we handle all the collections and payments, insurance, and all that here at corporate Antelope Valley.
How can a long-term business continue to be effective?
Good people. We believe if we take care of our folks, they'll take care of our customers. So that's sort of our motto, is you have good people, you treat them right, you make sure they're happy, try to work them safely so they go home at night safe and sound, come back the next day to perform their job and make a good living, and also they in turn will take care of the customer.